In this video, I will walk you through a DriftFloat review by looking at the best options available on the market right now. When you search for these products online, you see a massive contrast between two very different categories: high-tech relaxation and precision fishing gear. On one side, we have the advanced motorized pool floats meant for luxury lounging. These models often feature built-in dual motors, cup holders, and backrests, essentially turning your lake or pool experience into a self-propelled cruise. The standout feature here is mobility, though it comes at a much higher price point, often exceeding $160. On the other hand, the term DriftFloat also refers to trophy hunters, fishing equipment, specifically designed for delivering big baits to big fish in active currents. The Thill Gold Medal Big Fish Slider is a prime example of this utility, leveraging premium balsa wood to provide extreme sensitivity for anglers. This is an Amazon's choice pick, because it is rated 4 stars or higher and is rarely returned. While the motorized loungers are designed for recreational comfort with over 3,000 monthly purchases for popular camouflage tank models, the fishing floats are about technical precision and durability. Both options dominate the search results, but they serve completely different lifestyles. Whether you want to navigate a pool with a water cannon or track a prize fish through a river drift, your choice depends on whether you value mechanical power or natural material performance. Let me know in the comments which style fits your needs best. If you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews.